right, welcome back to Budget Noob. Today, we're going to be taking these previous rows we made with groceries and tools and hygiene and putting them down at the bottom. I went to row 25 as there are 31 days in the month. I typically am not spending one of these categories in every day, and so that works for me. It seems to fit the size of the screen, and so I recommend going to row 25. But ultimately, you want to copy these down to the bottom so that we can create sum totals for all our expenditures in each of these days. As you go into the bottom here, you're going to make a sum total of these categories. You're going to click in column B, row 26 at the top. I can type in a function or formula for the program to calculate for me. And so here I want to sum you want to type in equals sum parenthesis and then click the box B2, grab the corner and pull it down and then close the parenthesis. As you see here, I enter fives on each so that I am totaling at the bottom. It adds it up for me. So just hypothetical numbers for now. You want to copy these steps to the rest of the columns all the way through, and that will give you your total.